Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you? I have heard about you from Ashwini many times and I felt very curious about word smile. Myself, Usha Munde, I have completed my D.Ed from Ambezogai and I am doing job now in Parli. I live in Parli with my husband and two children.
We are friends since childhood and we have taken education together but in different classes, and we both wanted to become a teacher. But she has completed her education and got good job. But I am still struggling for a job.
And I am sure she will soon get a good job.
Thank you. We had enjoyed many moments of life from childhood and in further education also.
We used to study together. Also, we have watched many movies together.
Yes, we watched together movies Agabai Arecha, Nora Maza Nausacha, Krish,
Bahubali,
Duniadari,
हम साथ साथ है.
and we have seen Hum Aapke Hai Kaun about 100 times.
Yes, we really like these movies. I like our both choices are same. Like Madhuri Dixit, Amitabh Bachchan, and she also too.
Yes, we always order same food when we go to a restaurant.
Even we purchase same saris and dress while shopping.
Yes, and whenever we met together, we made khichdi, pakoras, and papad.
And ice cream too.
Absolutely. My favorite books is Yayati, You Can Win, and I like most poems of Atalji.
My favorite book is Wings of Fire and few encyclopedias.
What do you think? What is friendship?
I think friendship is like a garden of flowers, and friends are flowers in the garden.
I think is your if friendship is your weakest point, then you are the strongest person in the world. A friend shows their friendship in not in happy time, but in bad time.
Yes, you are absolutely right. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Uh, there is no need of daily conversation for conservation of friendship.
True friends stand by for